Hey guys, welcome back to Bone Feed and another Technique Tuesday. Today, we're gonna teach you or show you some arm styling for the Foxtrot sway underarm turn. We're not gonna teach the step. You can go ahead and check out our website, bonefeed.com, if you wanna learn the step, but we're gonna demo some options for you. So just as a quick demonstration, we're gonna go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. I'll break that down for you. So, assuming you already know the steps, on the second sway, so I go slow, I'm gonna open my arm up to the side on the second slow, preparing for my turn. Now what I do is I wrap my arm behind myself because it's so quick. As I turn, going quick, quick. As soon as I finish the turn, my arm extends back out, and then once he closes, I close on top. So that's the key anytime you're in a smooth frame. So whenever my leader closes first on my back, then I can place my arm down, and I can kind of hang up here for a second. I don't need to rush. We don't want to grab his arm and then kind of block him from getting in. We don't need to be reaching for him. So let's do that one more time, but a little more smooth. We go side, open, under, open, and then you get back to closed at the end. So this is just one option. Of course, there'd be another option as well. I don't prefer this version, but I'll show you anyway. So we start the same way. From here, I'm going to thread my arm through so it stays out, and then I bring it across as I turn. It goes in front of me, and then I would do the same ending. So it's really just the position of the arm. It's harder to do, it's very fast, and just a little more messy. I think behind the back is a little bit better, but if it's uncomfortable on your shoulder to put your arm behind your back, then you're just gonna put it right in front. Make sure it's not too far out because your partner is gonna be fairly close probably. So keep it tucked in before you shoot it through at the very end. We'll demo that version one more time. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. All right guys, hope that helped. Don't forget to check out our website, bonefeed.com, for more, and like and subscribe here for more content, and we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.